January 2020, it finally happened. My dream of exploring around Southeast Asia was about to begin. Let me share this story with you. It started in Jakarta, Indonesia. I only spent 2 days there, then I arrived in Bali. I couldn't wait any longer, so I got on a boat to explore the special island of Nusa Penida. Alright guys, time for a little update. So I've just arrived in Nusa Penida, which is one of the islands on the east coast of Bali. I'm going to be here for 2 days. This is where I'm staying. So yeah, the last 2 days I was in Bali. I was staying in Canggu, but I had some food poisoning and I wasn't feeling very good, so I just stayed at home. I got the video of Mexico finished and I planned out a few other things, but now I'm good, feeling ready again to explore. So yeah, I'm going to go get a scooter now and we're going to explore this beautiful island and see what we can find. So let's see you later. Okay guys, we just arrived at Angel's Billabong. It was about an hour journey on scooter. People said that the roads were really sketchy and bumpy, but it was actually pretty smooth, so I guess it's changed, so it's quite developed now these days. Anyways, just arrived and this is the view we have. I think it's pretty incredible. I'm looking forward to getting the drone out and getting some closer shots. So let's continue walking along and see what we can find. Wow, so as you can probably see, like I'm on the top of the cliff now. Right behind me is the archway, which is famous for people go scuba diving there, and it's really nice. It's one of the most iconic things of this island. Yeah, you can see like I'm very close to the edge here, so I'm being very careful. There's like a big drop down there, and yeah, so pretty amazing views. The colour of the water is amazing too. So yeah, I'm gonna get my drone out now, get some aerial shots, and show you what it looks like from the sky. So here behind me we have Broken Beach. It's only accessible by snorkeling, there's no way down. As you can see, the beach is literally just that's it. And it has this huge drop, and yeah, the water, it looks super transparent. And on the other side, like you have underneath here, you have this huge archway underneath, which you can see from the drone video, and leads out onto this side of the ocean. I ended the first day watching the sunset surrounded by nature with an incredible view while eating some delicious food. After that, I called it a night. What I was about to experience the next day was going to be even more amazing. Good morning guys, so it's currently 5:30 in the morning, really early. As you can see, the sunrise is just starting. And now we are up really early because we're going to go to a very special place where there's going to be lots of tourists later on, so we're going to get there early. And I'm really excited because I've been looking forward to going to this place for a very long time, like years, and I'm finally there, so let me take you with you and let's see what this place is. Alright guys, we are here. I'm just about to show you, but on the way there's like lots of little monkeys everywhere. Look at this guy. Hello buddy, look at you. Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to see what it is I'm going to see? Okay, let's have a look. This is one of the viewpoints. That's right, Kelingking Beach. Like a few years ago this was like very unknown, but like over the last couple of years it's just become more and more touristic. And now look, I've arrived actually like 6:30, 6 o'clock. You've got to come earlier because it's going to be busy. Like in 2 hours it's going to be packed full. But look at that, like, and you can hike down it. It's about 1 hour, 45 minutes to get down there. I would suggest going with some shoes, but apparently it is quite rough. But yeah, I'm gonna go and explore now, take some pictures, enjoy the beautiful sunrise just over there, and I'll see you there. I'm really happy. Like, oh, another monkey. Hello. Hello, buddy. Hey buddy. Hello. You live in a nice place, right? Huh? Nice view. Okay, so we're going to start the walk down there now. Oh, baby monkey. This one. So cute. There's monkeys everywhere. And here they seem a lot more nicer than the monkeys in Costa Rica. In Costa Rica they literally attack you and oh my god! Babies! So adorable. Oh la la. Monkeys everywhere, look at them. Wow. Well, the steps are quite steep for now, but what do you think, buddy? Oh. But anyways, let's continue down the steps and I will see you a bit further down the road. Okay, so as you get further and further down, it gets even worse. As you can see here, like, it gets extremely steep. Like, do not come if you're not prepared with like hiking shoes or like some trainers, I mean. And if you're not in the best of shape, then I would not suggest coming down. It is pretty intense, you know. It's not easy, but the other two tourists that were here have just gone. So by the looks of it, it's just me and the whole beach for myself. But yeah, we are pretty high up. One final ladder to get down to the beach. Nearly there. Right, we made it. I'm not gonna lie, like that was pretty intense, you know. And I'm not just saying that. I really like. I normally like a big hike, very sporty, but look at this. Like the whole, literally, I'm not lying. The whole beach is for me. Like, isn't that amazing? So, look how high up we are. Like, that is where you go. I can sit right up there. Bloody hell. Right, I am going to go for a swim now. I think I've deserved it, so I'll see you in a bit. Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay. Okay, so we just made it back to our hotel. It was really nice there, but it gets very busy. Like after about 9 o'clock, it was like starting to get really busy, and by the time I left around like 11:30, 12, it was like super busy. It's actually easier to get back up than to get down, and when you get back to the top, there's just so many people there taking pictures. So yeah, that's one good thing about coming early. You get the whole thing for yourself. I met a bunch of cool people there. I met some Dutch guys who are traveling. I met some German girls as well, really nice people. And yeah, now I'm just going to, I just showered now, recharging the batteries for the drone, and I'm going to go have some lunch, because I'm starving. Right now it's about 1 o'clock. And then I'm going to go explore some other places around here, so I'll take you with me. Okay, so for lunch we got some fresh pineapple juice, and we got some spring rolls which are fried, starters, and then we got something else coming after, which I'll show you in a second. And then here we have some chicken noodles with some salad and eggs and vegetables. So I'm gonna eat this now and then head off to a new destination. So just arrived at Crystal Bay. This is where I'm going to be spending the rest of the afternoon and the evening. The sun is really bright right now, as you can probably see. So I'm just going to go and lie down on the beach, relax, take some more photos, and rest and watch the sunset here for tonight, for my last night here.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Right, good morning guys. Right now it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm just woken up. I'm just going to drive now to meet up with the Dutch guys I met yesterday, and we're going to drive all the way to the east side to watch the sunrise. I will see you once I meet up with the guys and once I arrive there. It's going to be like an hour and a 15-minute journey on the scooter. It's pitch black, so I'll see you when I get there. Right guys, so we just finished our first sunrise. We went to, it was pretty amazing. I'm here with these guys from the Netherlands.
Hey mate, how are you?
And now we're going to go to Atuh beach and to see some more beaches, and then we're going to explore more, grab some breakfast and see what else we can find. So we're just arriving at Atuh beach. There's quite a lot of steps to get down there, but it looks pretty empty. The water looks crystal clear. Oh, it's a monkey. Hello monkey. Just gone. And yeah, we'll get down there, have some breakfast, and probably go for a swim. Right, so you know you've arrived when you see a load of monkeys on the beach eating papaya or... Careful man. Yeah. Whoa. Maybe it's a bad idea. They're chasing. So this is where we came from. You can see we walked all the way down there stairs to this beach. Got attacked by monkeys and we came along here. Had some drinks here. I'll go for a nice little swim before we head back up there. Just having some lunch here now before we head up to another beach. Nice fresh sandwich and some noodles.
Oh, brilliant.
Bon appetit.
Enjoy your meal, man.
Thanks, man. Now we're on to our next beach. This is Diamond Beach. Lovely view, to be honest. Like, you've got this like lovely crystal clear water, these palm trees, and that's just like empty beach. There's only like 2 people down there. It's a bit of a hike to get there, but I think it's totally worth it. So next up you're going to want to come to Suewehan beach, which is about another 30-minute ride from the previous beach, but only come if you're prepared for an adventure. Like, the roads are really bumpy, pretty sketchy. It's a long journey, and then you've got like a huge climb down the mountain, the cliff here. You get there, but it is totally worth it. Yeah, there's like beautiful beach all for yourself. There's only another couple here. There's beautiful waves, big waves. They are quite crazy. But Yeah, definitely worth it. I couldn't have asked for a better way to start my journey in Bali. There is infinite beauty in this world. You'd have to go out there and explore to find it. It was time to head back to the main island, but don't worry, I'll be taking you with me again. Remember to subscribe to not miss out on the next vlog. Catch you later.